What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for a new video. Behind me you see my GD3 Honda Fit, brand new car. If you didn't see the last video, go check it out. This is gonna be a new addition to the channel. We're gonna do some little videos on it here and there and turn it into a little Japanese track nugget slowly so we can hit the track, hit the autocross events and just have a good time and not care. You'll notice it is on jack stands right now. I did an oil change, threw in a couple other things. You'll see this in the next video for the Honda Fit series. It's just general maintenance. We've got quite the list of things up here to tackle, and so far so good. Everything's looking good. We're gonna do something fun in this video. This car is nearly 20 years old now, and the headlights really needed some help. I threw a little bit of like grease on it just to see what it would look like shined up, and it's not terrible. If you guys saw the first video, you'll know that it was really yellow. I'm not a big fan of the body color matching headlight interiors, so we've got something to fix that. Plus, it wouldn't be me if I hadn't have ordered something from Japan, and sure enough, we've got a set of JDM GD123 taillights with bulbs and everything, which is great because some of the maintenance items I had were to replace bulbs on the front headlights and rear taillights, and man, these are clean. They're used, but they're extremely clean for something that old. And over here, we have a brand new headlight with the black interior, and I really like this. They're much more crisp looking, sleeker looking. It looks like a headlight rather than a part of the body with the body color underneath. But I got two of these with bulbs as well, so super stoked on that. And this is the first time I've really like dug into the Honda Fit. So I'm learning things, I'm replacing things. As far as I know, much like, it seems like every car nowadays, you have to take the bumper off to get the headlights out. I don't want to take the bumper off, but I need to, so I'm gonna learn today. And if you guys are new to the channel, you're probably fit people watching this, so you can use this video as a reference for your headlights and taillights, but my videos aren't how-tos. I'm not like a trained mechanic or anything like that. If it is a how-to, I'll be specific about it, but since I'm learning, I can't really tell you how to do it. So looks like there's just a lot of clips and a couple screws, so I'm just gonna kind of jump into it. So let's get the headlights out. So we did know that this car had a little bit of an accident, and yeah, little boop. Crash bar did what it's supposed to do, crumpled in on itself, and that's fine. We can get a new crash bar, but I mean, it looks fine. I mean, it's not like the airbag went off or anything like that. It obviously is gonna be more broken if I get into another accident, but for now, fun little surprises, but nothing that wasn't expected. The bumper was laughably easy to take off. Yeah, just little tabs here and there, and then little things on the end. I ordered a new bumper bracket for this side because it was really bad, and I just ended up taking it off. This side's still good, and no broken tabs there. And then tabs on the bottom, but I only had one. So really this bumper was probably the easiest bumper I've ever taken off, ever. Now in our headlights, we should have just a couple bolts around it that will zip off real quick, disconnect it, throw in our new one, and we'll be looking good. That is a million times better. I'm so happy with that. The fitment was really good. Everything lines up pretty correctly. This body line's a little off. I think that's because the fender was replaced because of obviously some sort of accident. So it's not exact right through here, but the headlight itself fits really nicely into the car, and that makes a whole load of difference. It's gonna look really cool once the front bumper's back on, I think, but otherwise, I'm gonna throw in the other one, and then we'll jump to the rear, throw in our new taillights, test everything out, and then I'll give you some shots with the bumper and everything back on. Okay, so taillight is mostly in. We've got to obviously secure the bumper back on, but one thing I wanted to note is I did forget, I read about this. You need to extend your wiring harness, so I just quickly extended this little blue plug, and then I'm figuring out the plugs here. This bottom one works, and this one goes into the top. I'm trying to figure out how to get this center one plugged in to this green one, but I'll let you know when I figure that out. All right, super quick, so you're not like me. This is just like a footnote. This green plug down here on this side, this one, is your reverse light. You need to extend it on this side. On this side, you do not need to extend it, but you do need to take your USDM plugs from your old taillights, and you can basically mount them in here. It's kind of a tight fit, but you can mount them in. Use your reverse bulbs from your US taillights, plug it into the JDM taillight. Otherwise, everything else connects up. So you really only have to extend wires on a couple sides, and pretty easy to do. And that is gonna be it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the first video for the Fit, first mods video. It was fun to do something else. They're really easy to work on, that's for sure. So super stoked on that. I did have one issue. My rear light that plugs in to the bottom one that was a little stretched is always on for some reason, and that's the reverse light. I don't know why the other one doesn't do it. If you guys are Fit owners and you know, go down below, write a comment, and let me know what I messed up. So otherwise, I'll do a little research on it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new to the channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button. This car is already looking that much better with new headlights and taillights. I'm so stoked on that. So stay tuned for the next video, and see you guys in the next one.